So this is how to connect SIMKL to Plex. You have two options here. You have Plex Pass. If you do, this gives you access to webhooks, which makes the process significantly simpler, and this is the process we're going to follow first. The second one is with Tatuli, which is going to use the webhooks from SIMKL itself. Let's start with the yes, hell yeah, brother, I have Plex Pass. First, you go to simkl.com. This is from your personal SIMKL account. You copy the link, and then you go to your own personal Plex instance. You hit the wrench, go over to webhooks on the left, add webhook, paste the link, like and subscribe, and then you're done. Or the other option, it's a little bit more involved, i.e. you have to have Tatuli available, but then you don't have to pay for Plex, which is always a win. So you go install Tatuli very quickly. If you have Proxmox, just runs the Proxmox helper script. It takes 2-3 minutes. You hit yes, 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 and you follow the instructions. You'll be done in no time, trust me. And the alternative is for you to just go and follow the instructions for your operating system. The install is super easy and quick. You won't have much problems here either, so don't worry too much. So once Tatuli is set up, you go into your own Tatuli instance. For me, it's on this URL. Hit the wrench, then notification agents. You add a new notification agent. You have to scroll the menu and select webhook, okay? Then you go over to the simkl.com apps Plex, copy the webhook link, and you paste it over here. You make sure that you have post in the webhook method. Add some kind of a description, doesn't really matter. For triggers, you just select watched, and then this is an optional step, but if you have multiple different users, you want to make sure that the hook is hooked up to the specific SIMKL account for that user. So you will just select it over here. Username is whatever your username is, or you could just leave blank. I don't have anything on mine because I have only one account. And finally, you go over to data and you paste this string in the JSON data box, leaving the JSON headers empty. You can get this link from the SIMKL apps Plex page. If you scroll down a little bit, there's instructions for how to set it up with Tatuli. You just copy this guy and hit save, and then you like and subscribe, of course, and then you're done. That is it. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye.